How to check in online Ethiopian Airlines. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for ethiopianairlines.com. You will then be led to the official webpage of Ethiopian Airlines. Tap on the check-in button you see there, or it might also be labeled as online checking button on the home page. You will further be required to enter your details such as your last name as it appears on your booking and your reference number or ticket number. You can find the booking reference or ticket number in your confirmation email. Now go ahead and choose your seat, review the seating chart, and select your preferred seat. Some seats may have additional charges. Now confirm your details. Double check your flight details including date, time, and seat selection. You will then be required to receive your boarding pass. So, once the check-in is complete, download the mobile pass directly on your phone or save it in the digital wallet, and if you prefer, you can also make a hard copy of your boarding pass. Now, if you have checked your luggage, go to the baggage drop counter at the airport and with your boarding pass ready, proceed directly to the security checkpoint. So this is how you can check in online Ethiopian Airlines. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.